Okay, today we'll continue in this video non-homogeneous model 3. Okay, let us do some more problems. dy by dx is equal to y minus 14. Again, a is equal to 6, b is equal to 5, c is equal to minus 7, a dash 2, b dash 18, c dash minus 14. b is not equal to minus a dash, not model 1, and a by a dash comma b by b dash, which will give you 6 by 2 is equal to 5 by 18, not equal to. So, not model 2. Therefore, non-homogeneous model 3. Right? It is non-homogeneous model 3. Right? Now again, let small x is equal to capital X plus h, small y is equal to capital Y plus k, dy by dx is equal to capital Dy by dx. Again same procedure, sir. So capital Dy by dx is equal to 6 into capital X plus h, 5 into capital Y plus k, minus 7 by minus 14. Plus 5k minus 7 by 2 capital X, 2h plus 18 capital Y plus 18k minus 14. Again, dy by dx is equal to 6x plus 5y plus 6h minus 7 by, remove this bracket, only this you put bracket, 2x plus 18y plus 2h plus 18k minus 4. Again, consider 6h plus 5k minus 7 is equal to 0, 2h plus 18k minus 14 is equal to 0, multiply by 1, multiply by 3. Okay, so this becomes 6h plus 5k minus 7 is equal to 0, 6h plus 54k minus 42 is equal to 0, minus minus plus cancel, minus 49k plus 35 is equal to 0, minus 49k is equal to minus 35, 7 7s are, so k is equal to 5 by 7. Okay, therefore 6h plus 5k, 5 into 5 by 7 minus 7 is equal to 0, 6h plus 45 by 7 minus 7 is equal to 0, 6h plus 49, so minus 24 by 7 is equal to 0. Okay, 49, 25 minus 49 minus 24, 6h is equal to 24 by 7, h is equal to 4 by 7. Right, so we got h and k. So I am just writing here h value 4 by 7, k value 5 by 7. Okay, now so this becomes dy by dx is equal to 6x plus 5y by 2x plus 18y. Let again v is equal to capital Y is equal to capital Vx, dy by dx is equal to v plus dv by dx into capital X. Here v is equal to capital Y by capital X. Again same procedure. So v plus dv by dx into x is equal to 6x plus 5vx by 2x plus 18vx. So same procedures are doing the same models again and again, so to make you practice. Okay, so into x is equal to x common 6 plus 5v by x common 2 plus 18v. X will get cancelled. dv by dx into x is equal to 6 plus 5v by 2 plus 18v minus v. Observe here, if you understand the procedure, first you have to write model 1, model 2, and this is replaced, small x is replaced by capital X plus h, small y replaced by y plus k. Then put the values, h and k plus constant, you make it 0, find h and k value. So that part is over. Then again y is equal to vx, then substitute the values. Okay, procedure is same. Okay, now dv by dx into x is equal to LCM is 2 plus 18v 6 plus 5v minus v into 2 plus 18v, right? Therefore into x is equal to LCM 6 plus 5v minus 2v minus 18v square is equal to v. So this becomes 6 minus 2v minus 18v square, right? Observe here this problem. It's a very lengthy problem, but you have to know this one. Okay, so dv by dx into x 2 common 3 minus v minus 9v square by 2 common 1 plus 9v cancel. Right? Now, variables separable. So, what will happen? 1 plus 9v by 3 minus v minus 9v square dv is equal to dx by x. Right? Put the integration symbol. Now, observe here 3 minus v minus 9v square derivative is 0 minus 1 minus 18v. Okay, what is the derivative of this? Minus 1 minus 18v. This you have to keep in mind. Okay, so what I will do, we will write like this. 1 plus 9v is equal to a into dy dx of 9 minus v square plus b. So again all that procedure will come. So a into 0 minus 1 minus 18v plus b. So 1 plus 9v is equal to minus a minus 18av plus b. So what is the v coefficient? 9 is equal to here, v coefficient is what, sir? Minus 18a. So what is the a value? 9 by minus 18, that is minus 1 by 2. And 1 is equal to what, sir? Minus a plus b. So again a is minus 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 plus b. So what is the b value? 1 by 2. We got a value, b value. So what we have done after simplification, we got this. So again, this problem is a very lengthy problem, sir. Okay. Now, what will happen? The numerator is converted. Where I have to put? Here. Numerator is converted into a into minus 1 minus 18v. But what is the a value? Minus 1 by 2. So we have to write minus 1 minus 18v plus b value 1 by 2 by 3 minus v minus 9v square dv, integration of dx by x. So this becomes minus 1 by 2 integration of minus 1 minus 18v by 3 minus v minus 9v square dv plus 1 by 2 1 by 3 minus v minus 9v square dv is equal to integration of dx by x. So this is minus 1 by 2 log of, which formula it is? F dash x by f of x. So log of f of x. So minus 1 by 2 log of 3 minus v minus 9v square plus 1 by 2 1 by 3 minus v minus 9v square dv is equal to dx by x, means log x. Call it as equation number 1. Problem is not over, sir. Look at here. Why is so lengthy? Okay. Okay, now we have to find integration for this, sir. Okay. So what I have done, I have simplified. I got a value, b value, right? Now we have to find integration for this. Okay. Now look at here. Consider 3 minus v minus 9v square. Take minus 9 common. V square minus 1 by 9 plus 9 by 1 by 9 v minus 3 by 9. Okay, so 2b is equal to 1 by 9, v is equal to 1 by 18. So minus 9 v square plus 1 by 9 v plus 1 by 18 square minus 1 by 18 square minus 3 by 9. So minus 9 v plus 1 by 18 whole square minus 1 by 324 minus 3 by 9. So minus 1 by 324 minus 3 by 9. LCM is 324 minus 1. This will be 27. 26. 3s are 54. 26 into 3 minus 108. So how much will become? Minus 109 by 324. Okay, flower bracket. So minus 9 into v plus 1 by 18 whole square minus 109 by 324. Bring minus sign inside. 9 into v plus 1 by 18, sorry, root of 1 by 9 whole square by 18 whole square. So this we are writing minus v plus 1 by 18 whole square. Therefore, so minus 1 by 2 I am putting here. I have called 1. Put in 1. Integration is not over, sir. Minus 1 by 2 log of 3 minus v minus 9v square. My plus 1 by 2, already we got minus 1 by 9. So 1 by 9, integration of 1 by root of 1 by 9 whole square minus v plus 1 by 18 whole square dv is equal to log x plus c. Okay. Now this is in the form of 1 by a square minus x square, which is 1 by 2a log of a plus x by a minus x. So x means v formula. So find the answer. Minus 1 by 2 log of 3 minus v minus 9v square plus 1 by 18 into 1 by 2a. A value is what, sir? Root 109 by 18 log of a plus x. A is what, sir? Root 108 by plus x means v plus 1 by 8 by root of 1 by 9 by 8 minus of v plus 1 by 8 1 by 18, sorry, 1 by 18 is equal to log capital X plus c. Now what I am writing here, where v is equal to capital Y by x, where capital Y is y minus k, capital X is x minus h. So k value how much we got? 5 by 7 by x minus 3 by 5 by 4 by 7. So v is what? Y minus 5 by 7, and what is the small capital X? Capital X is x minus h, x minus 4 by. You have to put all these values here. Means v has to be replaced by this. V has to be replaced by this value y minus 5 by 7 by x minus 4 by 7. and here any cancellation is there. So here the problem is very lengthy. If you just write the values, that will be given for 7 marks, sir. Okay, let us see one more problem and we'll close this model. Okay. Next problem. Okay, one more problem we'll do and we'll close this model, right? dy by dx is equal to x plus 2y plus 3 by plus 4, right? Now again, what we have to do? A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 3. A dash 2, B dash 3, C dash 4. B is not equal to minus A dash, not model 1, and A by A dash comma B by B dash 1 by 2 is not equivalent to 2 by 3, not model 2. Therefore, non-homogeneous model 3. This statement is very important. Okay. Now, let small x is equal to capital X plus h, small y is equal to capital Y plus k, and small dy by dx is equal to capital dy by dx. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to x plus 2vx plus capital X plus h plus 2 into capital Y plus k plus 3. Denominator 2 into capital X plus h plus 3 into capital Y plus k plus 4. Okay, so observe here, the model is same, at least capital X plus h plus 2 capital Y plus 2k plus 3. Denominator 2x plus 2h plus 3 capital Y plus 3k plus 4 by dx capital X plus 2y plus h plus 2k plus 3 by 2x plus 3y plus 2h plus 3k plus 4. So, I am grouping this. Consider h plus 2k plus 3 is equal to 0, 2h plus 3k plus 4 is equal to 0. Multiply by 1, multiply by 2, multiply by 1. So, this becomes 2h plus 4k plus 6 is equal to 0, 2h plus 3k plus 4 is equal to 0. Subtract, cancel. So, k plus 2 is equal to 0, k is equal to minus 2. Okay, k is equal to minus 2. So, h plus 2k means minus 4 plus 3 is equal to 0, h is equal to 1. Sometimes you get very easy problem. The previous one is a very lengthy problem. It may not be given for examination, but these type of problems will be given. Okay, h and k values we got. Therefore, dy by dx. So, first part h and k values we have found out, and first part is what? Second part is what, sir? Capital X plus 2y by 2x plus 3y. Again, y is equal to capital Y is equal to capital Vx, v is equal to capital Y by capital X, right? So, and capital dy by dx is equal to v plus dv by dx into x. Therefore, is equal to x plus 2vx by 2x plus 3vx, v plus dv by dx into x, capital X common, 1 plus 2v, capital X common, 2 plus 3v, capital X will get cancelled, dv by dx into x is equal to 1 plus 2v by 2 plus 3v minus v. Please observe here, problems are observe change, sir. Procedure can అర్థం చేసుకుంటే up to here you can go very easily, sir. Up to here you can complete. Last previous problem only with difficult level high, sir. Otherwise, మిగతా problems అన్ని ఇవే standard method, sir. Okay. So, we have to simplify this, right? What is h value, k value? I'll just write here. H is 1, k is minus 2, right? This we'll note. Please note down. Right, now dv by dx into x, LCM is 2 plus 3v, 1 plus 2v, v into 2 plus 3v is equal to 1 plus 2v minus 2v minus 3v square by 2 plus 3v. 2v 2v get cancelled. dv by dx into x is equal to 1 minus 3v square by 2 plus 3v. Variable separable by dv is equal to dx by x. Now we have to put integration. Now observe here what I am doing. Now whenever you got like this, what you have to do is separate them directly. Now there is numerator simple counters are 2 by 1 minus 3v square dv. Nothing you can do. Directly you can do it, sir. Now 3v by 1 minus 3v square dv. So I have separated them. Now this can be take 3 common, 2 by 3, 1 by 1 by 3 minus v square dv. Okay. What I am doing here, observe here. Okay, why I said sometimes easy. So I have taken 3 common, so 1 by 3 minus v square. Here I have multiplied with 2 divided by 2. Cancel just only 3v vastundi sir. Why? Next step you will understand. So this is 2 by 3, 1 by 1 by root 3 whole square minus v square dv plus 1 by 2 6v by 1 minus 3v square dv is equal to dx by x. Now this is nothing but a square 1 by a square minus x square is 1 by 2a log of a plus x by a minus x, and this is nothing but what is a 1 minus 3v square derivative minus 6v, which is there in the numerator but minus sign is there. So it is in the form of f dash x by f dash v by f of v. Integration is log of v. So what I have done, derivative of this, that's why I have multiplied and divided by 2. So this becomes 2 by 3, 1 by 2 into a is 1 by root 3 log of a plus x. A means what, sir? 1 by root 3 plus v by 1 by root 3 minus v. Here 1 minus v square integration is minus 6v. Derivative is minus 6v. Here plus will become minus. So minus 1 by 2 log of 1 minus 3v square is equal to log capital X plus c. Right? Now we got everything. So where you have to write the statement v is equal to capital X by capital Y by capital X, which is y minus k by x minus h. Y minus k value how much we got? Minus 2. So it becomes y plus 2 by x minus 1, and capital X is equal to small x minus h. So small x minus 1. Here x is there, that is replaced by x minus 1. V is replaced by y plus 2 by x minus 1. If substitution is called, sir. But you can leave the answer up to here. But what is important, ఇక్కడ దాకా సిస్టమాటిక్గా వెళ్ళి ఈ సింప్లిఫికేషన్ చేసిన అట్లీస్ట్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ 7 మార్క్స్ యూ మే గెట్ అప్ టు హియర్ 5 మార్క్స్ వస్తాయి సార్, గుర్తుంచుకొని. ఓకే, సో వీ హ్యావ్ కంప్లీటెడ్ హోమోజీనియస్ మోడల్ 1, హోమోజీనియస్ మోడల్ 2, హోమోజీనియస్ నాన్ హోమోజీనియస్ మోడల్ 1, నాన్ హోమోజీనియస్ మోడల్ 2, నాన్ హోమోజీనియస్ మోడల్ 3. 3 మోడల్స్ చూసాను సార్. ఓకే, సో నెక్స్ట్ లీనియర్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ ఉంటుంది సార్. వన్ మోర్ మోడల్ ఈస్ దర్, లీనియర్ ఈక్వేషన్. విత్ దట్ then rank and degree and order of the differential equation. With that, this portion will be over. Okay, right.